tell about different shapes. Here I start to tell about how to find out area when they have given compact shapes. Here they have given a square, this house shape. This house shape, how to find out the area of it? You can divide the size of it. You can that is one above smaller part and below square. They have given all sides of square as 10 units, and this one these sides as also 10 units. Here you going to get this. The above part is equilateral triangle and the below part is a square. Now let's find out total area means it is area of square plus area of equilateral triangle, equitriangle. Now let's start by taking this one. Area of square means length times of breadth. That is 10 times of 10. So it becomes 10 square plus area of equilateral triangle means root 3 by 4 a square. That is root 3 by 4 times of here the side length is 10 units. So it's going to become 10 square. Now let's take more in it. Here you going to get after taking this, that is 10 square means 10 times of 10, which becomes 100. So this equal to 100 plus root 3 by 4 times of 100. Now you going to get this, you can divide this for 1 times, for 2 times, and 2 remains for 5 times. You going to get here as 100 plus 25 root 3, that is square units of this thing. Let's take next shape. Next compact shape is this one, that is a shape of lollipop. You going to get they have given this one and again this complete lollipop. Here they have given the radius of the circle as equal to 1 unit and the length of this rectangle, the below of lollipop, is 10 units and width of 1 unit. Now you need to find out what's the complete area of this shape. The complete area of this shape is first area of the above circle plus the area of this one, that is a rectangle, that is area of rectangle. Now let's find out the area of this lollipop shape. You can find it out. Area of circle means it is pi r square. So you're going to get this is pi r square and this is length times of breadth. In pi r square, you're going to get it as pi times of here the radius is 1 units, pi times of 1 square plus length times of breadth means this is length and this is breadth 10 times of 1. Now you're going to get pi times of 1 square means pi plus 10 times of 1 is 10. 10 plus pi square units. If you want, you can simplify this. Instead of pi, you can write it as 22 by 7 plus 10 whole square units. If you even want more simplification, take 7 as the common denominator, 22 remains above, and in below 10 there is one denominator. When denominator 1 becomes 7, you multiply it by 7. So even 10 you need to multiply by 7. 10 times of 7 is 70. So 22 plus 70, it becomes 92 by 7 square units. Let's take another one compact shape. This time it is heart shape. Here I write this again, that is heart shape, and in this heart shape they have given like this, and here you can make it into write into 3 semicircles. This one here they have given this side length as equal to 30 units, this complete side length as here 10 units, this side length, this is also 10 units and this is also 10 units. You need to take into 4 semicircles. This is one bigger semicircle that going to be equal to, so the area of this bigger circle is you need to add these two semicircle to it and subtract one semicircle. Since all of them have the same area, this all three semicircle going to be of same area. So you're going to get 2 minus 1 means only one semicircle's area. You need to find it out. You're going to get here, this is 10, 10, 10. So this bigger semicircle diameter is 30 units, so the radius becomes 15 units. So the area of smaller semicircle is pi capital R square plus, this is 2 times of small semicircle, so it is 2 pi small r square minus this same small semicircle pi r square. Now you're going to get 2 pi smaller square minus pi r square. This all term is equal. It is 2 minus 1 means only 1 remains. Pi capital R square plus pi small r square. When you go to do this one, you can take pi common among them. Here also pi, here also pi. So capital R square minus small r square. Here I found out the diameter. This is not small diameter, it is big diameter and big R. Let's find out small diameter. Small diameter means it is 10 units. So the small radius will be half of which it is 5 units. Now you're going to get it as pi times of bigger R means 15. 15 square minus smaller radius which is 5, 5 square. Let's find out 15 square. Here 15 square means 15 times of 15. 15 times of 10 is 150 plus 15 times of 5 75. 225 is 15 times of 15. So it becomes pi times of 225 minus 5 times of 5 is 25. Here you're going to get it as pi times of 225 minus 25 is 200. It becomes 200 pi square units. That is the area of this complete heart shape. This, if you take this shaded region of this shape. Now you can even simplify this out as 200 times of 22 by 7 and find out the answer. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving us the diamond shape. In this diamond shape, they are telling us this one. They are telling this all diagonals as this one diagonal as 2 units and this diagonal as 5 units. This diamond shape is nothing but it is a rhombus. In a rhombus, if you take the actual area of the rhombus will be equal to half times of diagonal 1 times of diagonal 2. So it becomes half times of, this is diagonal 1 which is 2 units times of, this is diagonal 2 which is 5 units. Here you can divide denominator and numerator, 2 1 times 2 1 times 1 times of 5 which becomes 5 square units. That is the area of this rhombus shape. Now let's take one more shape. Here they are giving out a very big problem like this. Here it is this one and again a house like shape, and below this house you're going to get a triangle and a pointed ball. You need to find out area of this complete structure. They are telling us that this is all sides of square are 10 units and this triangle also or two sides as 10 units, but the radius of this square is 5 units. And here also the above side will be 5 units and the perpendicular height here they told us 2 units. Now let's find out the complete area. You can find out the complete area by solving out each part. That is area of first trapezium, then area of this one bigger one, that is square, area of square, and then area of this one equilateral triangle, that is equitriangle, plus area of this one circle. So this is circle, area of circle. Let's find out one by one. Area of trapezium means half times of this sum of parallel sides, that going to become 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 times of this perpendicular height, which is 2 units, plus area of square is, this is the side length 10 units, so area of square will be 10 square, plus the area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle's area is root 3 by 4 times of this side length square. Here side length is 10 units, so it is 10 square, plus this one area of circle means pi r square. Let's find out one by one of them. That is 5 plus 10 going to become 15. So you get here as half times of 15 times of 2, plus this 10 square means 10 times of 10, which becomes 100. So this is plus 100, plus this 10 square also becomes 100, so it is root 3 by 4 times of 100, plus this pi r square means pi times of their radius is 5 units, 5 square. Let's find them out. Divide denominator and numerator. 2 1 times, 2 1 times. When there is plus symbol, you cannot do any operation from here denominator to their numerator. Within this it is isolated, and here between these plus signs this complete thing isolated. Now you going to get 5 square means 25 it is. You get 15 plus 100, plus here you can divide 4 1 times, 4 2 times 8, and 2 remains, 4 5 times 20. It is 25 times of root 3 is 25 root 3, plus 5 square is 25 pi. This going to become 115 plus 25 root 3 plus 25 pi square units. That is the area of this complex shape. Let's find out area of another one shape. Here they are giving out this one, that is a kite. They are giving out a kite. Instead of area, they are telling us to find perimeter. They are giving the below sides as 2 units and above 2 sides as 7 units. Here perimeter of kite means 2 times of sum of below sides and above side. This one below side and above side sum, and 2 times of it gives complete perimeter of this kite. So this becomes 2 plus 7, this below side and above side. 2 plus 7 means 9, so this is 2 times of 9, which becomes 18. So 18 units is the perimeter of this kite. Let's take another shape. Here they are giving out quarter of a circle. This quarter of a circle, nice shape, but here also the radius is 5 units. When you find out the area of the quarter of circle, you need to take 1 by 4 times of pi r square. When complete circle, if you take as pi r square, then a quarter of circle, 1/4 part, it is 1/4 of pi r square. So it becomes 1/4 of pi times of radius, which is 5 units, 5 square. 5 square is 5 times of 5, which is 25. So this becomes equal to 1 by 4 times of pi times of 25. You cannot divide 4 and 25, so it becomes 25 by 4 pi square units. That is the area of this quarter of a circle. Let's take one more shape. Here they are giving not even quarter but just 30-degree sector. You take a very little pizza piece in a very big circle. Here also for area of circle you must use the formula, that is theta by 360 degree times of pi r square. Here theta by 360 means by using theta we are finding out what part of the circle we are taking. If we take 180 degree means it going to be semicircle if theta is 180 degree. If theta is 90 degree, it is a quarter of a circle. If theta is 30 degree, then it is 1/3 of quarter of a circle. 90 degree, 1/3 of 90. So it going to become 30 by 360 times of pi times of r square means radius. Here they give us 7 units, 7 square. Now here cancel 0 with 0. 3 1 times 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times is 6. It becomes equal to 1 by 12 times of pi times of 7 square means 7 times of 7, which is 49. So this is 49. You're going to get it as 49 by 12 pi square units is the area of this small pizza shaped 30-degree sector of circle. I'm going to tell more problems in next video. Now bye.